Hey Kevin, what are you doing?
Well, this is a sculpture I just finished on the 3D printer. This one is called Twins. What's happened here is I've got a little bit of what's called stringing, a little bit of these little hairs connecting the two pieces, basically. And that's just a setting problem. You know, I didn't have the retraction setting quite right. So, okay, now I have to go back and clean it up a little. And I thought, well, you know, instead of sitting here, you know, and trying to pull all those out by hand, or sitting here with a pair of, you know, wire cutters and trying to snip all those off, I thought, wait a minute, I have a tool. And you might think, all right, what the heck has he got now? Well, it comes in this little metal case. This is a laser, and it's not a little toy. It's not a little pointer like this one is. No, this is a real one. It lights matches on fire. It bursts balloons. It lights wood on fire. If you shine it on your hand, you've got, oh, maybe 2 seconds before you're going, owie, owie, owie. This is not a toy. This is a real tool. It even comes with a pair of ruby glasses, you know, to help protect your eyes, simply because it's so strong. And here's a little information about where I got this laser. As you can see, it's not very expensive. Let me show you how this works. So just from a safety aspect, yes, you really do need to wear these goofy things, simply because of the backscatter off the laser. It will screw up your eyes if you don't have some kind of protection. But just watch right in here. Watch these little strings going across, and watch what happens when I hit them with the laser. Okay, what happens is nothing. So I'm really not getting all that much up here. I think the hairs are just a little thicker. So yeah, fun to play with. You know, I've taken it outside at night, you know, and shined it up on the mountain, and, you know, shine it up at the stars and what have you. You know, that's kind of fun to play with, but not quite as strong as I was hoping it would be. So as you can see, sometimes you got to go back to the old tried and true method. This is actually a soldering iron. I took the little round soldering tip out of it and made myself a little blade to go in there. Not much of an edge, it's not very sharp, but it does get nice and warm. It gets hot. So that filament, it has no chance. It just moves over, it gets out of the way. You can get it molten and just, you know, sculpt with it a little bit, push it around a little. So another handy tool to have around. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you all next time. Damn, I was hoping that would work.